cute baby crying. Hello everybody! So today I'll be going to Jalan, Japan. I think this was one of the very first thrift shops I've ever been to in Malaysia, and it's still running, which is nice because after the lockdown, a lot of thrift shops didn't do very well. But yeah, I'm here to check it out. There are 2 floors and there's plenty of things for me to find, and my husband has actually given me a challenge, so I'll tell you more about it inside the shop. Okay, come on, let's go!
So if you were listening carefully, you would have heard me say that I have a husband. That is true. I am married, and the past 10 months have been nothing short of busy and adjusting to new things. I haven't been consistent with uploading YouTube videos at all. YouTube has been put in the back burner, but I'm here and I'm trying to come back. I have been thrifting though, so yeah.
Alright, so today my challenge is to find 3 outfits that start with the letter B. So I can get black outfits, blue outfits, burgundy, beige, brown. Some of those colors are in trend. Yeah, so I just saw this really nice cardigan. It's something I definitely would like to wear, but it doesn't start with B, so I'm gonna put it back. Let's see if I can get 3 outfits that start with the letter B. Hi. So I found this really nice white gap cardigan, but because it's not B, I can't get it. I really like it though. It's got no collar, which is kind of cute. And oh, it's got some stains, but it's the Gap. Start with tops. Let's look for tops. Hoodies, cardigans, sweaters. This way. Ooh. Very retro.
As usual, when you're thrifting, you have to look through the racks. You have to go hanger by hanger, especially in the sections that you want to find something. Maybe you are liking that color palette, so look through that. And since I am challenging myself to thrifting for something that's blue or beige, I was looking through these hangers.
I'm seeing this and I really like this shiny shimmery material, but it's attached to the cardigan, which I don't like, but it has a stain here as well. I wish it was just by itself, then I could get it because it's, I don't know, nice and shiny. Ooh, this is cute. On shoulder, blue. Just found this. It's an off-shoulder top. Technically it's black. I don't know if I want it. I think I might hold on to it first. But yeah, I'm still in this small section. So I found this dress. It's brown. I really like the shape of it, the silhouette. It has pockets. The quality is not the best. It's got some fraying. Yeah, like, you know, the bubbles that appear after a while. Yeah, so I don't think I'll get it. But this would be a nice B outfit, you know? Ooh.
No, Esmeralda.
The quality of this is really nice. I'm gonna check if it fits. Yes, I think it does. Yay! I got one B outfit. You see here, there's a lining across the middle that accentuates the bust area. Don't know if you can tell. See? This is crazy, man. This is a pretty nice brown jumpsuit. Yep. It's got pockets, but it's a little big for me, like the width and all, so I won't get it. But the pockets.
Why I didn't put a belt key?
Buy and put a
this and buy a
belt.
belt. Finish reading. Buy also the big.
It's a really, really nice skirt. But unfortunately, it's probably like 2 sizes too small. It's so pretty. The lace is perfect.
Just stare at it. Look at it.
$10. If I could have had, I would have skirts like this in all the colors. It's such a nice pastel color, but the material is too hot for Malaysia. It's like synthetic kind of knit. Yeah, and it's got really cute beads on it.
So there really is a lot of clothing to look through, since this is one of the bigger Jalan Japans, and in terms of women's clothing and children's clothing, there's a lot to choose from, and the racks just don't seem to end. But yeah, just gotta keep looking.
Can I get this? Is it too big? It's very boxy, right? Look at this. Oh, so pretty. Is this beige? It's got like spring, autumn vibes, I don't know. Which one should I get? I really like this.
So this black dress that I showed you guys earlier, it barely fits. I mean, the material is really good, but it's actually really thick, and I don't think I would wear such a form-fitting black dress too often. So this is the second outfit. It's the beige top with the autumn colored flowers and a brownish beige skirt. Husband found this blue flowered white skirt. Technically the skirt is white, but the blue is pretty prominent, so we just consider it as a B outfit. This is a bonus clip. I tried on a white skirt, and if you've been shopping, you know it's hard to find really nice white skirts that aren't see-through, and so I had to grab this.
Hi guys, so I'm done with the challenge. I'll go home, wash the clothes, iron the clothes, and then try it on once again. I did kind of change out what I got, but I still made it. I got 3 outfits, all starting with these.
Thank you so much for watching the first part of this video. The second part will be up soon, I promise. Thank you for watching. Stay patient. Bye.